Na te oba na be afo no anye blog na la. Na kpoba nyama blog la. Ala tafa. Nuke wa glombo ho do na maka. Make ho do na maka. O chok ban levin o we ama awoni afo assembly gama. O awa the contract plan ama bari vani yo yire vonu. Mano obnya glongo gore. You see, he who seek equity must come with clean hands. Agba, I'm seeking equity. I know my hands are clean. Patrick Echoa, I'm over Rita dodgy me. Rita, I'm dodging. Over le Dujiva got a father of a home. By your molio. Oh, yo, Kaji, over not na way. Enyan. Akwa. Patrick, Yamo Kudamba Adigi Avala Kaji Anufum Nyama. Yamate Nufoga Yama. Le collabo review, les miens review, mais il y avait girlfriend so mieux la photo Cléo. Il y en a pas joke, quand il y a photo nam, quand des 6 semaines, ou un hotel, mieux. No, I will not do that. Aduyare, aduyame unyasema, atalongre. Onyame nyama de dito. Mama chame fon wa mu koni ko odeo. Nuke jo vin president nufoga wa chambe be akpe, be president nufoga lo. Na mo boro nufoga mo gbocho ya yo mo masego. Aduya mi akpome. Acho masenya le radio je. Amo glonyawe. Kakare, new party yo na be new patriotic party re. A circle roro ko mi akloge. Patrick, makweba na mo le platform ji both parties NDC NPP. O campaign on amobe. President Akufo-Addo is this. President Mahama is this. Onyagloma nuke ba jona. Nova i parliament over nya bia mo ba. Enye na glora me over appointo. Enye na glora me gbe igbalere. Ate asekore nwa ate twachire gbo a. Iko na kukurem. Ba o nyama campaign ya onye glo. Asagoma. Agbari. Kofi Makafi Kofi Wanyade. Yenye MPP regional chairman. Position here is the last position in the region. Not at 10. I'm grateful. I'm the regional chairman now. And I'll if I go for elections, Magaoji Ruga. Kakade, Jabianyaba. Oh, voice message is so that down the platform soji. I'm not even moved. All about you, the radio, you. Kakade party talk on the regional chairman. You understand? Baby, your police station executive, I don't justify a junior regional chairman. Now your party talk on the voice message, Daddy Koa. Never stand. Baby, and your electoral area coordinator, I don't justify. Not under my regime. You can't go scot-free. You cannot. But you can an amount. At the right time, I'll set up a committee. Ogoji could have probably no check this year for. When you appoint at this year, Kofi Wanya Moka Bukangwe will have appointed this year. The appointing authority is the president. He is the sole appointer of anybody, any appointee under his government. It is the president who has the prerogative to appoint you, not anybody. So now, marriage, I may appoint guy. Wait until the final name comes out. Amo Glola, Sister Obu Vojiba. Yo, you president Boyoko, ni koda shinere. CV, I'm a CV, koda shinere, I'm a vagere. I'm a va. Jivo Vitoma, befe. Oh, gidi wom na le. No cover blim na le. Nyamo broma nyanye bo Patrick. Awe ba yo demonstration wom. But rotel kata miomi uncover. New kata miomi redegu. L'assembly floor. Patrick a challenge me ato gbe ngoli na ruara akpara sere. Akukuga. Na nyama lemu. Na lakpadam oko gano. Na va lakpadam akukuga. On to jichinya kondem gba fi o tem radio. Ma ke ba ma la mawu manana mawu. Na da lakpadam se no viunga. Kamare mo do gbere ra mawu. Ya we believe mawu ma pan. Na lengu ama totograshi o. Manana ka o gagbe ama ojeji na o. Yema ba ma va fi ava no goglobe ame wala yema woni o. Yema woni o. Ama chiche manya ga ka ba party nya we ma nya yema glogala mo oji o. Next year elections will start. We will put up party vetting committees. And then Fungware come up. Oh, who suspend you? I say when you come out there. Oh. Mo kuba no near Mianovia Digi. Or revoke your appointment based on your involvement as a regional officer. Let nous recover Tom. The rule of natural judgment na biama, mi biade. Mi for record aruhore. Ta no nyeba da flache, nyanye o chairman. Ye nyanye coach o safa fi abade. Vami odo. Yo nu fo ma globo, ye yo meeting na fie ko ho ya la kogbe e va onu iklo mo glo nyawo rekode. Ma ye nye gbona nyawo glogore. Ma wi ala jifo mi kata mi akpomre. Patrick Nyago Sama. Yes, no nyeba. What we nya make for cockly, a flashy, a toji, ocho placaso called dare, or ni. Demonstration, I'm going to tell demonstration. Demonstrations are allowed. It's a way of venting your, releasing your this thing and saying that these things, they can do 100 times demonstration if they want to sleep on the street. I'm ready to provide them with mosquito nets. Demonstration in America. One man in Yagloma, Obonono, a sound so loud that people cannot even hear what you are saying. Many disgrace when you have on radio, you do a duga 8,000 arunka. What is the justification? Want to a contact on a require? Robert Duga. So no safe keta, make a keta destroyment. You have condemned yourself. Should you be part of demonstrators and be planning crook things? How much is Keta Assembly even having? Some of the meetings, meeting recording. Because Mojinaba no meeting or Gamalio. So when the public was calling on us, public are not calling on us, but me meeting them, me on Malako, I'm no so much cham. I had to go to Plato, Novari. Avuru Navana, Manyale Kamako to Kumalafina, you meeting now. At least, me have transportation already. Acho Gaviara Kamanako Dumiri. I should be the Katamaso. Tamate imagine Kamashama Galako took my nephew of assembly. Jirudola or Ruro for gown. After Zona. Ta no never. Agba memile. Combien de lidomba assemblement me va bien mi bare. Nous que Jovi assemblement on attaque pas. Il va bien mieux. Accusation va mi amaru mi o attaque pas. Mi a dit gane ga do ke mi alare. Mi a denwo, mi a gede nwama. Alakpa to ko marek mo tojo ro ko ni. Combien mi amamu ke mi ga trogo do ko ga ba anyama nye tango glom. Ne wa nya na wala ke. Achome kwe na maro. Olido. Baya. Yokata mo no vionya. Na kponia release ya one favor fuga. A sign. Enya mema.
Aw, yema.
Manyo.
Samon sajema ba kweba la vui. Tata
ko
voye manyama yunyu.
Aindi si kachakwe man. Amemi ona ba aindi si kachakwe.
Okay.
Yen tonye sister nye fu motoy.
Yen ngulongwa.
A sign. Amato ngulongwa.
Okay.
Yes. Search of one that search of your denu. Play divine Amadrovi. In the secretary. Favor fuga. Enya organizer.
Okay.
Apa ye manye na kacho balango. Ye masai hao. E ba bonwa. Na yi bono kono be.
Wa pa nkwa la fuma o sign.
Apa mi toma doge.
Okay.
Ye toma doge. Mi kata ye pa clear. Fumo tomi mi chonyako. Afo de kama pe. Tane go blombe ye masai o. Ka na me gbele won ma ye ugwa na o. Obanye ma figa anye mo wala ka vono na ba kere ma. Na vono ba ma na vono gere ma kokko ga ba kofi wonya o shele ma ro. Amanchi gbegble kwe. O we kwa ba yi. O ga ma gba. Kaka party tore ke ma ga chebe. Agba afi na va dem da. Eje na no clean lo. Ma no ga dented o. O shima vufoga na be ele structure mu. No go. Because now me have grievance channels. As I go ma. Now nu tere jiji na wa. Now apply. Now go through the routes. You can appeal to the constituency executives. And no problem merit lashiwa, anyare lashiwa. They will push you. But all your man, I mean, to disciplinary committee. The disciplinary committee na government. All suspend a room, all suspend. Afia no nyajimu. Ihe apa nsemala, mi apa constitution ama. Ta no na choko. Misbehave. You may like it or leave it. You may take it or leave it. As far as I am concerned, and have the mandate of my people, Chama. Oh, I'll execute all this into the letter. Manu, I'm going to make sure there's discipline in this party. I'm telling you, you cannot go and punish. Verbal assault, more molecular. Yeah, my mind, yes, my eye is on the ball. My eye is on the ball. Tari, adigia, ya take quarto, ya nyara kamala shinyo. But you can take decision, but no rushing worry. Cause me about any as constitution about it. I'm a appoint or take. Yes, and unanimous decision on ya each other. But Shama dash no we or oh near oh Manyore. Gakamo but roll she couldn't. How can I have an enemy working with me? I know Patrick. Is that God has I believe that I have the word of knowledge and discerning of spirits. But I have word of knowledge. Intuition lashinya. The moment you start camping against me, I reflect now. If you call him, I call you. Ta mele basama de munyoko, but you know vinye never yoni. Un bien, plein mouvement. You pas plus jagon, you pas plus no devime. That kind of rhetoric. Then Yamaha Durafia Badigi will A, B, C, D, A, F. Yamaha go. It should continue. You can even go on the radio every day. I am not perturbed. Over add them to some platform, madam. Yamaha says na naka fma go home. Ala mayon. Mabala kwatopo khore mutojo. High Court na handle one. Ya magabu gwara ke mabia ba kana mu.
Enya ke High Court anto. Enya ke na choro.
Anya subo, anya subo Patrick. Let me agara nya ojifia. Zakwe dong nak. Anya subo. Oh, plenty va assemblyman onye, member onye. And aganya a chigling habo for Shimonola. La muganto am. Chikabano da utumamo da flache. Ya ma akamanya nguvi onyo. Rema tuma vivi. Patrick, ema numo matuma lagbama. Aba fiara katanto manglonto mafia. Amu pona minyu. Ala wo mi o mi nyanglo vio. Mi va la chigling party man. Mo pona minyu. Let me umshangote ona yema yo mari. Marakamate va glona wanya for nyori. When the struggle was on. Yes. Macho constituency organizer, he constituency secretary ever, he constituency chairman heton. Ever the second vice regional chairman. A Trogbo, ever parliamentary candidate 2012. Second second vice my art as a regional secretary, a form of a Trogbo. About parliamentary candidate, I got Troy. I was regional organizer in opposition. Hello. Throughout my adult life, I've been an activist of this party. After regional organizer, aim of stand as regional chairman. Patrick, my appointment to Namolo. My appointment to Namo. That one shit on Akobe Jagomo. Nuke on le tefure kai. Go and stand for elections and let them vote for you. Patrick, manyak beraka, players are doing him over of here. Mate of a gun to Gama Komo Jifu 400,000, 4 billion, okay, man. Ikomola do Jishim 4 billion, okay. What Gabu came on
400,000 Americalo.
I should have been asking for 1 million Ghana cedis. Looking at my status now as a regional chairman. Patrick, I'll cut time municipal assembly. Because I'm going to cut time municipal assembly.
Masa wubare na mabo na be majuga boy majuga cho.
Oh. Nya adoma yaro chimulo. Obi oba ko ya no wa kwere. Ya to am gbagbaje marashi ho kuma ji marashi because ma ba poba. Manu assembly I'm 17 years as elected member. Because upon you markings what time Antonia, you got an extra 1 year. All stand by no chan you le try area. O chanwa. Over bono no time. No correct for life. Zamalo to dalove you your assembly ni. Oh go. Pedrick Kelo Shiafion woman. Amo, they are appealing to appealing na mobile for Konyukleo. Mo mind no go home. Ochobo yo amo yo go. Oh ni, on tonaba. Nuka tavi premise mo. Agama yo mo la gayo ke. Wo do. Ika mo yo gbadaga na mo le ge. Mo te dago. Like yam block again. And you be every premise gama maglo mo block mba ni America ma ga pere mu. You must block go re. Awe be jeshi nyonyo agboda. Afo wi aton fi nyamo ba jeshi. Nuke jo fi level of nia level ene le player, me le level ma play. Nuke jo fi anye ke mo na o. 15 years ago yen ma jeshi ama o jeshi. Amoba yen mada constituency nya anglo gang. Ka kon kwa tomo la nya jololo cho toko. Ya manye wo ya cho nyaku. Plevi. Ma jeshi fufu yen ba fu ma. Ma ke kata tofia. Kan ma ga yen wo ga goglo fi ka ma rasha se blama no. Jo gba ja ma rasha se blama no ba yi. Da galafma no be pe. Ga ka ya ma justice jim. Ma te ma ira kotro. Ye ma ho domna marako. Ma te ri foga nyen kokko na mo fu ma to la shinya. No vignoli fognoli. Tonya rioli. Tonya gali ye duma toli. Ye mata shira ga mi anwuna na makore. Tanya ro bojiri Adamura Balaji. Maba mi khok bala, bala ma ya khomuni. Obo yo mo wa fomu. Balen ka balonya yo mo wa fomu. Ito mi akwi, not ten akwi. Ya ro mo wa foma. Yo fomu I've stayed living in Anglo for over 50 years. Over 50 years. So what am I afraid of today? I'm going to talk about Malafia. I'm going to blechore. Langloga. And me va gas jaga chari. Me va tolan de kata. Madang kaka. Patrick, mala easy o. Ko ba mala shi. Banko ek panara munye. Af mano kan vivi. Afrika ne vona. In opposition, maro gas station. Oma fa. Kwa para langloga. Nous le cavaro, miade como garola. Miade tona ko bodwe. Tamami ro maro gas station ya, amo katano avame. Kake mo recover. Nana ma kemi ba kata assemblée mi subora assemblée akpan. Mi ba mi jagwa mi ama amo jagwa la nglo du ya man. Anglo ma ga jagwa bo yo ma kata kla nglo. Conscience ya no ho assembly de karaka. Patrick, manya wodi. It took me 2 weeks to talk to His Excellency the President. Kaya kono jujuma. Ye create a new enemy. 2 weeks he come put on me. Awo mafia glefuji. Oba nkejo bia awo mafia irani ha. Ashanti ni kwa. Gbanwo ye ogbodu icho mampo hini vade. Ya wote gbanwo nkejo mampo hini va o. Me stop me here. Namanyo amayo ka akpere duya na zoro ngogba oglo party nke jofia ngulo amu le gbajilo galo shi abakana gaka onu shanu obda gbaji ala bono ba ngulo ko ho to gano ho to doima manya na ba ikota onya ho na maponyo a o zama to gano mata mashama bofom agala mo shire otavaro factory so rafiare miako miano viore mare I'm going to have the courage to do it. It's because of these elements in society. I make blood yana move yana masa yamaru tiparo masama ko mama ya ataklo yana munye of ma o maro nye mila nye mede mogloni ma domino
yeah
nye mila domino afi onyeju ma o mo iri agore yes no I'm a jijago na o yamanya lakpe o akpe ta one that such of ya demu any convenient na tonoro okogbala oronya anwure can he run away forever? He cannot. I'm over my own lamagbana you ala oh amagbato yanukukwa ya ele magbano nyamawi ele magbana Patrick mau ele magbana nyanya mama nyimaru jira magbato rekamu. That is why I survive. I'm a survivor. Mako ha ma jindia amasika bobo no ayide jifo vito ma uva ba ya eglona na Yehowa ma uva mosa saklasi chopa na nyena. You don't get me? Yes. Nyakelo shifia mi ogbogblombata assembly ga ikobua magbona obanka plenty averse that the first and the third defenders style themselves or rokobe onye concerned citizens of Anglo. What is their concern? I'm more concerned in Anglo than them. Mokwe. Utility ni ume provider mokwe. Agba moroko chote biduma mako zona kakakakova jagasere. I brought gas station to their doorsteps. Nyamanya problem eko joko yeba baro radio station la fia. Onura ka no duma Patrick. Iko yenye ku here. Iko nya gba eke ma chofia.
Alabo ba anyigba ma her one city at a town.
Oh Oh, Patrick.
Oba Kawande Kama Hawansi did.
Onya me o kanyi banama. Na roji kwa. No you vonu de mi agere mari. 2016, makai mako bala coffee opo. Ami over assembly, bakagbo over assembly am. Yes. Balama na sinyo. Kame ala kanya bala le sia. Am o to la fa fi wa kanyi bare. Initially me radio station o ma to Rafiori. Ka wo she mo ma o. Amuna wanu fuklom. Macho football ni ma aoni ovano football pom these international matches. That was my dream. I think about the need to establish a radio station, a second radio station in this enclave. Or establish Anglori. Yes. And very soon, I believe that Ogbo will come on air again. Yes. So we are not into competition. I'm not in competition with anybody. Assembly guy. Oh, assembly guy. You when you assembly money.
But your liability.
But I don't know. You want assembly? You go. When you open one at Kaka, I think it's enough. No new assembly amakuri. No getting no back pay. No here to go. Assembly doesn't make people rich. Never you go, but never you rich. Okay. Over a construction of AWC toilet facility chairman, cost of 74,000. There is a toilet in assembly there, which was constructed the NDC time. If I mention the amount to you, you collapse. Mention it. Over 500 dual decks for schools across the municipality. Over the master himself, McAfee took hold of this contract. Contract sum 197,000. Blah blah. This I say come and prove it in court. But if I prove me at the court, it's not about saying it. Okay. Over PWD funds, I don't know anything about over PWD. That's people with disabilities. Over 300,000 rora, yeah. Over 70,000 kokono. The balance, all transfer 221,869.4442 to the account. Yoba enyekle MCA magama missing po. Eba nyekofi onya.
So account can transfer.
Moment in account out.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a gudugba onyo dari amuba galomo ma. Because assembly having a hoga, I just director and assign. Budget analyst and a proper galama, a gary, a deal, what the world. Over me. No more, my G, my ow. I just mean on chung young. Over Gama. Yeah, when you clear over, yeah, the MC and the development staff committee chairman, regional chairman MPB share the rest booty among themselves. Baba approve while a court. Vonunato Murura. Nia in a Yamaya Muviolo. But prove the burden of proof is on you. Because you are alleging. Come and prove it in court. Never read your jelly dome, but you are saying what?
And comment statement more Makayaba June Radio carry
carry I am here. Journalists you know the ethics of the game. You know the rule of natural justice. Ordering pattern. The rule of natural, you have to hear the other side.
Because Oyoman column. So you call the person.
I just want for Nuklim. As I go, I just want for Nuklim. Baba will be Misaku. Na o Sanyara, na Jubilee, to Sanyara, I just want for Nuklim. Alaba, Arukojiba, New Year, Arukojibo Yoman. New Year.
Yeah, but New Year, but that.
Jubilee, you told your man a New Year message. I gave them a New Year message. I wish them well. Because I was all over the place going to meetings and those things. You see, you know this election petition matter and those things. We, the regional chairman, were not free at all.
Yeah.
So they called me. Nobody had called me, and I will not pick. Any radio station that want me to talk to them, I'll talk to them. Because the position I occupy is a position of trust. So I have to talk to them. You see, but I'm leading people. over Abo Magistrate Court, over our checks reveal that an amount of 150,000 was withdrawn from the common fund for this project, which in the first place should have happened. This said amount was shared among honorable members, or among Honorable McAfee Wanya and his cronies.
So who are the chronics?
Who are my cronies? They should come and tell the court how we got the money and how we shared it. As I go on, plaintiff affirms that on the last page, i.e., page 6, under the caption conclusion, the petition states, ladies and gentlemen of the media fraternity, my lovely Anglo sons and doctors. Look at the person calling people insulting. Look at the person. What pedigree? What pedigree? He has the gut, the infantry, the tenacity. Because he's been back. You see, that one doesn't make Rocky available, no saving.
Yamba va ser fifia mako.
Maba chomeji one that the whole day.
Comme ton souci ode.
Oh, I'm a verb.
Okay.
America, the platform you go global you move over more. Because order, I'm a oh, people have taken themselves to pocket lawyers.
Okay.
As I go on. Can over belly fall around it. Can you run forever? Not turn up. Oh, we bear Ama over Vagler of one. One nakboma. Also our families. Mo Gaviar can't Mugako only. No, 400. The Okaka Kakalo Wagberman. Okaka Kakalo Wagberman. As for this case, Maraka in your lawyer go. I'm in your lawyer go him. The first case in your lawyer go. About Gloribo, Ala, Mavarashenya, nobody even should try and go to my lawyer. Nobody. Because a dear Munya, Yanyi Tomatano strong. That family already.
This story was carried by Ghanaian Times.
Yes.
It was in the media.
Maba Goglom might demand the same prominence. They should give the same prominence to their retraction. Patrick, I say all these new cattle affair, I know nothing about them. How can you, a layman, not being a concerned citizen? Have you spoken with me in a senyama about concerned citizen? In a senyama, a biama. I don't know, you're biame. You are a concerned citizen. Me, we are on the same page. We are all concerned. But me, my activities are shown that I'm more concerned in Anglo than you. Yes. If Anglo bends today, Anglo Fiagba, if there's a war in Anglo today, who loses? It's me. It's me. So I'll do everything in my powers to protect Anglo. Anglo Pongogwe Yaiko Jimmy Katamiela. Dakale Ojime, Ozam Ojime. Patrick, after the nomination of the MCE of Qatar, I can tell you for sure these things will stop.
Okay.
They will stop. Their interest will not be in it again. I am not perturbed. But I have a family. I have friends who are worried. I am not worried because it's an annual ritual. It's a ritual. As I go on. They should go on. They should go ahead. But those party people, they think that me, I'm not sleeping. I am the lion of the tribe of Judah because I'm a joint heir with Christ. Yes. It's impugned.
Okay, impugned. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, my tongue is... Publications are not true insofar as they referred to him being the orchestrator or the beneficiary of the alleged malfeasance. Plaintiff affirms that the defendant did not reach out or contact him to ascertain the veracity or otherwise of the facts alleged before going public with their attack on his personality. Maybe your petition. I find out from Mama. Me will be an investigation. I could be a new Yama where Roma will have that no stop a shishi, no available, no hugbalan. Plaintiff avers that defendant has no basis or cause to believe that he was the orchestrator and the beneficiary of the alleged malfeasance. He has no basis. Young man. Oko koba viare no ko. Young man. Napko. Nangufiam. Oko koba viare no ko. You want to destroy yourself. Plaintiff avers that he was rather one of those who detected certain anomalies in the financial administration of the Kataka Municipal Assembly and consequently brought this on the floor of the Assembly, which consequently passed a resolution on the findings made. If you Patrick, that will find this, you cut me or the find the same your
L'Assemblée
a pass resolution l'Assemblée.
Il come young dodo Jim name.
Il come bien call a head of service. Bon, no kunuma, on rachète donc là. De la fille, sa fille. Bien koye. Il kaba, au fian for the fun, a for the fun. Yo, koi koto nyen kokperum, koyen kokperum. Alaba agent on your set. But it's God who rules in the affairs of men. The same God is there. He's not dead. Because for disciplinary actions, they will come. You can shout. Not Tamaru, the Palestine will not. Madame, Chica Cogana make a tarumu. Society, organization, a circular curriculum. I have a year to go for elections. Yes. And I cannot allow indiscipline to reign in my party. The party that I'm a chairman of. No way. No way. It will not happen. The platform G in a Nufuma, any write-up is being screenshot. Every voice is being forwarded. The time you bring your face that you want to stand, when the vetting committee sits on you, they'll play it to you. And then you'll be found wanting. Yes. Patrick, Amarobo, you mo court vomu, you mo no go balafi ogan of 180. Gaka amo krona ya koteri. Banyak bokro na ya kotu. A lot of things. Okay. But the particulars are the words taken are their literal meaning painted plaintiff as corrupt, a thief, a dishonest person in the eyes of the general public. Ni akatakata oma. Afia kote, but the koji be all for DM, your labanam, aba fiafi. America, nyata faraka malashio. A zanugola, le dwakatan. What they touch in particular. The words taken together as innuendos have the effect of presenting the plaintiff as a nation wreck. If you have a Dugbala, among Logaba, among to premise me a chesayo, a vacata fiani glonomonojo, ta mahonya. Among Lobby, you promoving a Holiday Inn. But my fungna mau, Mohamed Blomu. You imagine Mamma no Yao Blomu, or Baka exchanges 1 million. No. Alama Yao. A dear on your mere Jomri. The one of Aglonia radio, you could hear more on your mere Jomri. On your boat or lose credibility. In case of you, Tomagan for radio, you never do. Aqua about the Chovy Play for Jana. Aqua Patrick. The Chovy of Akpoyi o Amakuku Asnoku Bodom. Akwa. Call. No, all the public call. Iko the Chovy no global, not Bonacor. Now you know Rezipi, my Yamafionia, no Rezipiji, the Chovy Bonacor. Iko the Chovy Global, not choose Gajina Noni, no more in your blogger. I chose Gajino no your blogger. Nukewajo. Iko ayi bari. Baraka mwa chai wacho. onu foi ko becho yo fia yo la yo nshang la gbo mapo to amakuku ha yo do gbopo anya ke galashi o anya ke galashi o yo toro ko global premise ga yedude nya ke du oga biagan yes anya ke du oga biagan ka fa na mi ana ba na mi ada tori ya tata ko to mo nyeri ovito mo nyoko tata ko to mo nyeri kafa aji olowa tu ko ro ovito na nyori kafa na mi ada to na po mi o ba yo mi amia baba ga amia nava you ma phone Nico Jimola, Mobadi, a declaration that defendants, publication caption self-cater now, addressed to all media houses is libelous and defamatory. Defendants of publication caption self-cater, Afodi, Adidim. An order of retraction directed at the defendant to retract the said publication, giving the retraction the same prominence they gave to the defamatory one. Let's go to equity. Me vono not the two monamico gromala. You want to cook on you know marako. Magomari damages of 400,000. A gaoko billion man na kojimala billion man. Oko Claudia, Arafu. I'm over more consequential orders. Who has a pocket lawyer? Consequential order. Onya. Tari Patrick. No, you are glomila. Manya be na ire dojiku. Ave no nufu anu nya doji manu nya glomu. Toche nya. Na nya lema. Ye fonu yigo. Na malemo. Over Patrick. Nya na manyi ba. Cho 2002 imaru chairman of committee ana manyi gba mama de kama potoga mu na mama no mama gbo they must protect the land and to I'm telling you Vukakakakava so many years after the reclaimed land so many years donc mo va tri donc mo move yang ka trikuvo iko game aja gomo ma truck ba mo ba aw yo mi gawe Anigba mi maga na man complication me popo amaji be ro do fe amaji be oni eya gomo jamoji amobo nke mo rem na yo man kukukukukuku o wa ko ma ko da re aimu ma ba manigba la fi ama de ton lo committee a evoaro eton ko mi gara fi alo committee a mi ko oni a eton ro evolo. Yes. Yeah, I approve it. To committee to assembly. Easy. So what about that? Do they have the documents? The documents that made the allocation those years in 2014, 2016, 2015, 2016. How many on your gloma? They should come and prove it at court. Next Banlarel Assembly, I'm no kweno. No kweno, no approve it. Patrick, today I've reached the highest position as far as politics is concerned in the voter region. You recognize the experience that I've gathered. I didn't read it in books. It's an experience that has been lived. I did not read it in books. So, Madakama Gachuba Yatetu Honamo by going on radio and saying things. Obama, and so what? I'm a grown young, you tell the apology play Nana Kufado. Yento. You have a business woman, Miomi Lafia, politics on 294, me politics on a Ganamamu, a Cocoramu, let me for Gamokatafua. That's Ubonto. So you come, and we have to lead you. So it's two things. You either pay your way through, or you would have walked the walk that I walk. But if you're envious of me and you want to chase people, give money to people to defame me, you lie. You cannot do it. This town will rise. I mean, Onyama, they will rise. They will rise. Yeah, I'm not surprised because, Patrick, yesterday, some people hailed him, and almost the same people say, crucify him. In life, these things all must be your guiding principle. Yes. Over some who hate you and pretend they love you. Behind you, they support you. Only your best friend knows your secrets. And it's only him who can reveal it. Who the cap fit, let them wear it. You see, they talk, they see you, they say, oh, you are my mentor. You are my mentor. Oh, everything your mentor. Make gala politics my voix. Na magaliore, la kogamala. Manya we appoint ma. You are my mentor. Oh, you mentor. Oh, let me get glunyara chungu. But behind, they say a lot of things. They say a lot of things. It is only take with the Spirit of God to reveal to you who your enemies are. Mauba Bobo. Mauba Bobo. Ikorega fion. America ufutonya. It will not take flesh and blood to reveal some of these things to you. As a second thought. Ta akwene mi aponya soro mi gba mi ko yi viare mi ashi.
Ye ho yi fun.
Yi fun ga.
Mi apo ha viare ko mi a kutu agarage.
Ni matare. Ha wanda fo mi ko je mo gomere. Naga Morgan heritage ma.
Grams Morgan.
Grams Morgan, yeah. Naga un ma pore. Mi a ko agateji fun mi aruki